Wireshark is a powerful tool. It's a network protocol analyzer that allows you to capture and interactively browse the traffic running on a computer network. It's like a microscope for your network, providing a deep dive into the data packets that traverse your network infrastructure. You can use it to see all the data that flows through. This includes everything from web traffic to email exchanges, and even encrypted communications. This data is organized into packets. Each packet contains a portion of the overall data being transmitted, and Wireshark helps you piece these packets together. Each packet is like a small envelope with information. Inside, you'll find headers and payloads that tell you where the data is coming from and where it's going. Wireshark can capture these packets. By starting a capture session, you can monitor live network traffic or analyze previously saved capture files. This lets you analyze your network in detail. You can filter and search through the captured data to find specific packets or types of traffic. You can identify bottlenecks and security issues. For instance, if a particular device is sending out a lot of traffic, you can pinpoint it and take corrective action. You can even see the content of some communications. This is particularly useful for troubleshooting and ensuring that data is being transmitted correctly. People use Wireshark for many reasons. From network troubleshooting to security analysis, its applications are vast. Network administrators use it for troubleshooting. They can quickly identify and resolve network issues, ensuring smooth operation. Security professionals use it to detect intrusions. By analyzing traffic patterns, they can spot unusual activity that might indicate a security breach. Developers use it to debug applications. They can see how their applications interact with the network and identify any issues in the communication process. Understanding Wireshark is essential for anyone working with networks. It provides insights that are crucial for maintaining and securing network infrastructure. Its ability to dissect network traffic is invaluable. You can see exactly what is happening on your network at any given moment. But with great power comes great responsibility. It's important to use Wireshark ethically and ensure that you have permission to capture and analyze network traffic. Ethical hacking is a controlled form of hacking. It's used to find and fix vulnerabilities. Think of it like a security audit. You're looking for weaknesses before someone else exploits them. Ethical hackers operate with permission. They have clear rules of engagement. Their goal is to improve security, not to cause harm. Legality is crucial in ethical hacking. You must have explicit consent to access systems. Otherwise, your actions could be considered criminal. Ethical hacking plays a vital role in cybersecurity. It helps organizations identify and address weaknesses. This makes their systems more resilient to attacks. Phone call monitoring is a sensitive subject. It involves not just technical know-how, but also a deep understanding of legal boundaries. The laws governing phone call monitoring are complex and can vary significantly depending on where you are. Laws vary widely by jurisdiction. What might be legal in one state or country could be completely illegal in another. This makes it crucial to be well informed about the specific regulations that apply to your location. In most cases, you need consent to intercept and listen to calls. Consent can be a tricky area. It's not just about getting a verbal yes. Often, written consent is required to ensure that all parties are fully aware and agree to the monitoring. One-party consent means only one person in the conversation needs to agree. This is simpler, but still requires that at least one participant is aware of the monitoring. This is common for business calls. Many businesses use this rule to monitor customer service interactions or internal communications for quality and training purposes. Two-party consent requires everyone involved to know they are being recorded. This is more stringent and is designed to protect the privacy of all parties involved in the conversation. Before you even think about using Wireshark for call monitoring, understand the laws. Wireshark is a powerful tool, but its misuse can lead to serious legal consequences. Failure to comply can result in severe penalties, including fines and imprisonment. The legal system takes violations of privacy very seriously, and ignorance of the law is not a valid defense. It's crucial to consult with legal counsel. A lawyer can help you navigate the complex legal landscape and ensure that you are in full compliance with all applicable laws. They can provide guidance specific to your situation. Every case is unique, and what works for one scenario might not be appropriate for another. This helps ensure you operate within the bounds of the law. Proper legal advice can save you from potential legal troubles and give you peace of mind. Capturing voice data with Wireshark requires specific configurations. First, identify the network interface where the call traffic flows. This could be wired or wireless. Next, apply a capture filter. This tells Wireshark to only collect data related to the call. You can filter by IP address, port number, or protocol, like SIP or RTP. Start the capture when the call begins and stop it when it ends. This limits the amount of data collected, respecting privacy. Remember, capturing voice data without proper authorization is illegal. Always obtain consent before monitoring calls. Section 5. Decrypting the conversation analyzing VoIP traffic in Wireshark. Once you have captured the call data, you can analyze it in Wireshark. VoIP traffic is often encrypted, so you might need additional tools for decryption. Wireshark can dissect the packets. It shows you the source and destination IP addresses, the protocol used, and timestamps. By analyzing the traffic, you can identify the parties involved, the duration of the call, and potentially even the content. Remember, accessing the content of a call without proper authorization is a serious breach of privacy. Section 6. Privacy paramount. Navigating the legal landscape of call monitoring. Privacy is paramount when dealing with call monitoring. Always prioritize ethical considerations. Ensure you have a legitimate reason for accessing this data. Inform all parties involved if legally required. Transparency is essential to maintain trust. Store captured data securely and delete it responsibly. Implement access controls to prevent unauthorized access. Regularly review your practices. Stay informed about changes in privacy laws. Section 7. The power of packets. Responsible use in network forensics. Wireshark is a powerful tool for network forensics. It can be used to investigate security incidents, troubleshoot network problems, and analyze network performance. In the right hands, it can be used to improve network security and reliability. However, it's crucial to use it responsibly and ethically. Always obtain proper authorization before capturing or analyzing network traffic. Misuse of Wireshark can have serious consequences. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use this tool ethically and legally. Section 8. Beyond the wire, alternative tools and techniques. While Wireshark is a powerful tool, it's not the only option for network analysis. In fact, relying solely on one tool can sometimes limit your perspective and capabilities. Exploring alternative tools can provide a more comprehensive understanding of network behavior and potential issues. Numerous other tools and techniques exist, each with its strengths and weaknesses. For example, some tools might offer better visualization, while others excel in data processing speed or ease of use. It's essential to understand what each tool brings to the table and how it can fit into your workflow. For instance, TCP dump is a command line tool that offers similar functionality to Wireshark. It captures network packets and displays them in a text format, which can be useful for quick diagnostics and scripting. It's often preferred for scripting and automation tasks. With TCP dump, you can create scripts to automate the capture and analysis of network traffic, making it a powerful tool for repetitive tasks and large-scale network monitoring. Network performance monitoring, or NPM, tools provide a higher-level view of network activity. These tools are designed to give you insights into the overall health and performance of your network, helping you identify bottlenecks and optimize performance. They offer insights into bandwidth usage, application performance, and user experience. By monitoring these metrics, you can ensure that your network is running efficiently and that users are having a positive experience. Security information and event management, or CM, systems aggregate and analyze security logs from various sources. These systems are crucial for maintaining the security of your network, as they can detect unusual activity and potential threats in real time. They can help detect and respond to security threats. By correlating data from different sources, CM systems provide a comprehensive view of your network's security posture, enabling you to respond quickly to incidents. The choice of tool depends on the specific requirements of the task. Whether you need detailed packet analysis, high-level performance monitoring, or robust security management, there's a tool designed to meet those needs. Consider factors like ease of use, features, and cost when making your selection. It's also important to think about the scalability of the tool and how well it integrates with your existing systems. By carefully evaluating your options, you can choose the best tools to enhance your network analysis and management capabilities. Section 9. Conclusion: Ethical considerations in a connected world. In today's interconnected world, ethical considerations are more important than ever. Tools like Wireshark provide unprecedented access to network data. While these tools can be invaluable for security and troubleshooting, they also pose potential risks to privacy. It's our responsibility to use these powerful tools ethically and responsibly. By understanding the legal and ethical implications of our actions, we can help create a safer and more secure online environment. Remember, technology is a tool. It's up to us to use it for good.